So guys, I wanted to make something really spectacular for the 100th item. And I saw Johnny make this humongous journal. I mean, this thing was just giant. So I decided for my 100 things, I would take all my scraps and make a gigantic journal. So Johnny, eat your heart out, because here it is. My 100th thing is my gigantic journal. And I just used some little scraps I had left over. And I made this little bitty journal, which these are great to put in your purse, your pocket, whatever. And I just did a little trifold cover with some cardstock and took some scrap paper and cut it to fit it and made two little signatures. And this is my 100th thing. Isn't it huge? It's gigantic. You know what? By the time I reached 100, I ran out of ideas. But I decided I'm going to do a challenge. I'm going to do this again in 2022, but I'm going to put my own spin on this challenge. Every year I'm doing the 100 Things project. This is the first year I've ever finished it. So, for 2022, I'm going to start this in my Facebook crafting group. And for 2022, I want to see 200 things project. You have a whole year, 200 things. Now, don't do like I did. I would do like 10 tags and count it as one project. And then I started watching other videos and I thought, wait a minute, they're counting each tag. So, yeah. I'm going to do some lives. So if anybody wants to do part of the 200 Things project with me, send me a Facebook message and let me know. And we will schedule a day and time to go live and do the 200 Things projects together. And keep really good count this year. If you want to be a part of it in that Facebook group and just post your pictures, you don't want to do lives, you don't have to show your face on screen. My camera is set up so that it points directly to my desk at all times. Yeah, I could switch it around, but I don't feel like people come to watch me. They come to watch what I'm making. So I'm keeping my camera down. Anyway, yeah, if you want to be a part of it, let me know. But I'm happy. This is the first year I've ever completed the 100 things. So I'm going to challenge myself and others. I'm throwing this out there to all of you. 200 things for 2022. We can do it. Alright guys, let me know if you want to be a part of it, and we shall see you soon. Bye-bye.